I'm often asked, even asked recently, is it necessary to attend a brick and mortar church? Here's the biblical truth. Wherever and however it is, be in a group of two or more. And here's what I call the Jesus and Ephesians core of what's needed for God's people to be healthy. You have to have a teacher, a good teacher. Biblical instruction is imperative. And then Jesus taught word and deed daily. And because of the overwhelming amount of information, you need to be contacted throughout the week with those with the same faith. You gather to encourage each other and that somebody's readily available for urgent matters. Then you're equipped to become a servant follower, be light, reach others for Christ, and represent Him daily. So small house groups, family groups, circles, cells, using conference calls, text groups, and of course, brick and mortar. Now, can you be alone and follow Christ? Well, surely in extreme conditions, but that's not a following Christ desire. Traditionally, this would mean attending a local church fellowship, but today with diverse work schedules and particularly the level of moral failure, mistrust, and in this public relations disasters, people have every right to protect themselves and their families. So finding Ephesians 4 situations, as we explained, with high accountabilities, checks and balances, where leaders and everyone in the group are taught you are accountable to each other. And the smaller the group, the better. To this day, God's people are managed and guided by first century technology from 12 people. The apostles wrote epistles. Paul said he was there in spirit. John called them his little children. Peter told them, you are a chosen people, royal priesthood, holy. And to this day, we've not seen any of them, including Jesus, who said, I'm with you always. That is, physical presence is not a prerequisite. If you have a healthy brick and mortar location or other Ephesians 4 gathering, that's great. And until you find a place, be with Amazing Things at Church daily. God bless you.